Hello everyone, my name is Steph and welcome to my first video on this channel. Today I am going to discuss about how to create an email account. But before I start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button or follow me on my Instagram, Tech with Steph, for more tips and guides to make your life easier on technology. It's pretty straightforward to create an email account. So same things goes for creating a Gmail account, Yahoo account, Hotmail account. So whichever email account you would like to do, there's also the steps that I'm going to share to you today. It's just the same for the other accounts. So I will show to you today how to create a Gmail account. To start creating an email account, kindly open any browser that you would like to open. So in my case, I will use Chrome. And once I have Chrome open, I will type in gmail.com. Once I have gmail.com open, I will click on create an account. And then put in my details here. Let's say first name is Test and last name is Master. I will use the username misstestmaster@gmail.com. So I will now create my password. And click on next. Now put in your mobile number. And it will send you a verification code, a text verification code on the number that you put in. And once you receive it, put in the number, click on verify. Now it's up to you if you would like to put any recovery email address. In this case, I won't be adding any recovery email address here. So let's go to the birthday. Let's say it's January 1, 1991, and then put in your gender. Click on next. Now it's up to you if you would like to use this feature, get more from your number. So it will allow you to use or to make some video calls and messages. In this case, I will click on skip. And there are some settings here that you can personalize. I will just skip this things just to go on set up the email quickly. So yep, we have the privacy and terms, and then click on I agree. Okay. It will take some time in some cases. Okay. And it's taking some time. Right, loading Gmail. Okay, so now you have these options to continue with smart features, or you would like to turn off smart features. In this case, I will select turn off smart features and then click on next. Turn off features. So these are the features that will be turning off, or that will turn off. Okay, and click on it, and then there are some quick tutorials here. Okay, that we need to reload because the settings has changed. Okay, now you've got the welcome email. So hi test, welcome to Google. And now before you click on the confirm button, just don't forget to hit on the subscribe button or follow me on my Instagram, Tech with Steph, for more tips and guides to make your life easier on technology. So now we're going to click on confirm. And you're good to go. You can put a picture here. Now you can go into your Gmail. And that's it. You can now compose an email. And that should be it.